In today's video, I'm going to teach you the easiest way to remove a formula in Excel. Whether it's just one particular column or the entire spreadsheet, we'll make sure you've got all the tools you need to get it done smoothly. Let's dive right in. To get started, we're first going to focus on how to remove a formula from a selected area, like a specific column. Imagine this. You have a table where formulas are present in different places, say column F and row 6. But today, our task is solely to get rid of the formulas in column F. So here's what we do. We begin by selecting the area we want to work with. In this case, our target is column F, so make sure you highlight it. Of course, this method works the same for any area you want to modify. Maybe that's the entire data table or just a specific section. The choice is yours. Once you've made your selection, it's time for a bit of right-click magic. Position your cursor within that highlighted column, go ahead and right-click and choose Copy from the context menu. With the area still selected, stay right there with your cursor, right-click again, and navigate your way to the Paste Special menu. Inside, you're going to find Paste Values. Give that a click, and just like that, Excel has replaced all the lovely formulas with their resultant static values. Column F now has only the specific values with no formulas left in sight. Simple, right? Now let's tackle the task of removing formulas from the entire spreadsheet. Believe it or not, it's just as straightforward. First, take a good look at the top left-hand corner of your spreadsheet. There's a little square here that, with a single click, selects everything in the entire sheet. Go ahead and give it a click. This will select all the content within your spreadsheet, setting you up for the action to come. With everything selected, repeat our earlier steps. Right-click anywhere on the sheet, select Copy, stay within the confines of your selection, and right-click once more. Return to Paste Special, and once again choose Paste Values. And there you have it. You've successfully removed every formula from your spreadsheet, leaving only the raw data behind. It's an efficient trick that helps keep data intact while eliminating all the active formulas, ensuring you don't lose any information while simplifying your spreadsheet. With this knowledge in hand, dealing with formulas in Excel won't be a hassle anymore. Thanks for tuning in, and keep this guide handy for the next time you need to clean up your spreadsheet.